good morning, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Theory. In this episode, guys, I want to talk about Verge. I want to talk about Augur, and I want to talk about Ordinals. These are going to be the three things I want to talk about in this episode. Why? Well, because Verge was up massively a couple days ago, or a week or two ago, whenever it was up, and now it is up 70%, 80% earlier today. So when we see these privacy mineable finite supply coins that are pretty much on every major exchange, it's something. It's something to talk about. I want to talk about Augur and where it's at with price, specifically in the current moment. And I want to talk about maybe why BRC20 Ordinals is up again. So that's going to be the focus of this little video. So where do we start? So Augur, what do we think about the price right now? What are we thinking about the price? It's at a pretty much all-time low right now. It's been one of the, I would say, one of the most interesting coins to potentially see in the last 3 months, because remember Augur went up and then it went down, and now it's came down, and it's actually like pretty much at an all-time low, which is insane. And now, guys, Augur is the first ERC20 token. So, is this a project still happening? Well, yeah, it is. It's still happening. It's still a thing. It's still it's still an active project, guys. I mean, even nobody is using the betting platform last I heard, and this was like 3 years ago. It's still a heavily traded token. About like Binance, I think it's on Upbid. All the major exchanges offer trading for this coin. Not to mention wallets. You can swap coins. Somebody is trading Augur. So the price, like I said, is at an all-time low. That's the interesting part about right now, is if you look at the price of Augur, it is hitting an all-time low against the market, the overall crypto market. I don't mean an all-time low. I'm just saying this is a low for now. This is just a low for now. This could change. Augur could go up 700, 800, 900% in 2 days or a day or whatever. But this is something, guys, because this is the first ERC20 token in the rotation. So we have to assume something's going on. Got to assume something's going on, because if we assume nothing's going on, we're just pretty much accepting whatever they give us. So it's a pretty big deal, guys. Augur going up and down. The volatility on it right now is pretty crazy over the last few months. So Augur hitting an all-time low. That's really all I got on Augur. I mean, I did a video on it a couple months back. Nobody really was interested in watching it. So go back and watch it if you haven't seen it. If you're confused about what Augur might be. Or you can join the conspiracy theory on basically, why is Augur hitting an all-time low? Why are we racking up 100%, 200%, 300% gains and racking them all out and going lower? So it's something to watch out for, guys. I think Augur could be a huge buy right now, to be honest. If I had some money, I would be buying Augur, just because, why not? It's just, you buy when you can, and you sit there and don't buy when you can't. So that's pretty much how that's going to work. And, we'll do it like that. And basically, we will continue, guys, because what are we going to be able to do? We can't buy every fucking coin every second. I went over that last night. So what we can do, and what I recommend you do, is, spread your money out on some of these coins, buy some of them. Augur is a great coin. I, at this point, think it's a buy, and I have no money to buy it. So it's basically, you have that scenario, guys, and then you have the scenario of being able to buy these low price tokens, being able to buy these low fucking price tokens that are you know, hitting all-time lows when you see the market going up. So yeah, I mean, it's easy to not do it, but you know, when you see these tokens super down, and if you have the money to buy some of these positions, why the hell wouldn't you? I would totally buy Augur right now if it was a crypto buy for me. But you know, I'm all in crypto, guys. That has not changed. I've been in all crypto for years now. So when you look at your crypto account more than your checking account, that's when you'll be in crypto, guys. That will be when you're in crypto. So until that happens, you won't. And let's talk about Verge, guys, because Verge crypto is up. It's up 80% this morning. It was at like 50% up right now. It came down a bit, but why are we talking about Verge? Because Verge has been the #1 coin in the last couple months. And we can only say this because it's true, guys. It's not me blowing smoke up your ass. Look at the charts. It pumped about 100 back when I made a video, about 100 something percent. And it's gone down, and now it's gone right back up. So you tell me if it's a good project. Drop it in the comment section. This was that crypto, guys. And go back and watch the Verge video if you haven't seen it. Verge is, you know, it's widely accepted, guys. It's widely accepted on the internet as a privacy token. The problem with Verge is I don't know that a lot of people are using it for spending. Maybe they are. Drop it in the comments. I just don't see. I think most people are just kind of hodling it, which is, you know, not necessarily a bad thing, but, you know, we're not going to see. We see these major spikes pretty much out of nowhere. I mean, they're just, it's almost like, yeah, support the coin if you like it, but if you're just supporting the coin to try to, you know, catch one of these waves on Verge, you know, I don't really see the point. I think that Verge will go up. I mean, if you go back and you look at the history of it, it does go up with the rest of the market very fast. So just keep in mind, it is a coin that goes up incredibly fast, where you don't have to worry about Verge being a rug pull, because it's just going to go way up. So these coins, they're pretty much not going anywhere. Once you get a mineable coin and there's still people mining it, there's still people holding it, there's still exchanges doing massive volumes with it. You know, these coins are great. They're basically the best ones you can get. So is Verge a good coin? Absolutely. Will I buy Verge in the future? I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. It doesn't really matter what I do, though, guys. It just matters what you do. So like I said, I've tried to put up some material on Verge crypto. I don't know that it's going to be something that you're going to want to see, but it's a good crypto, guys. It's, like I said, it has all the qualities of a good cryptocurrency, and it's a privacy coin. So, you know, these kind of technologies, in my opinion, cannot be stopped. I mean, people can try to slow them down and that kind of thing, and make it difficult for people to use them. But if there's an end user willing to pay for it at a price, then you can only say Verge has a market. You know, Verge has a fucking market, whether you like it or not. It does have a market for the coin, and you know, the community's still around, and everything's still happening with it. So it's up right now, by the way. It's up over 50%, to give you an idea, on Verge mineable cryptocurrency, which is great when we see, guys, the last couple weeks we've been seeing where we at least see some type of mineable crypto, like a little bit up or a little bit of resistance to the downtrend of the overall market. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but it's one of my favorite things to see. So when we see one mineable crypto, like, okay, yeah, the market's not shooting straight up right now. Okay, whoop-de-fuck. Well, Verge is up 80%. So seeing stuff like that, Litecoin over 100, things like that, I would say everybody's already here. You know, I would say that we are pretty much already here. And we saw Ordinals up today as well. The one last thing I wanted to touch on this particular video. Verge, you know, it's up. I mean, I don't know how to... Verge is up. BRC20 Ordinals is trading on the exchanges higher, so that's up again. And, you know, everything's just up. Market sentiment is up. Everybody is basically wanting to now start looking at crypto again. Once Ethereum Classic and a couple of these other memorable coins, 2, 3x, we'll see a pretty good little bit of people run back in, because they're going to quickly find out these SHIB and these armies and stuff, they're still here. They haven't gone anywhere. So the masses that lost a whole bunch of money, they should have just held their coins. And some people did. Yeah, there's still a lot of people that are holding their Doge and all sorts of coins. Not in any kind of rush to sell them. Just, we'll see how it does. And we're seeing BRC20. I did an episode on DRC20 and LTC20. All these mint on chain. That's all it is. It's essentially the single-handedly greatest thing that could happen for crypto, by the way. So while everybody's staring at a wall, at least we got something going on. At least we got something going on in the be one of those people, guys, that has something going on in crypto. Why not? If we're doing this stuff, somebody's got to do all this stuff. And it should be you. You should be the one wanting to do it. You guys should be doing the buying the Verge tokens, buying the, guys, I told you, this is what I'm doing. I can't wait to be able to just basically grab these coins and just have them in my wallets. I was even thinking about getting a privacy wallet, guys. I just had an idea for that just now. Just a privacy only wallet, just keep privacy coins. Because when you guys are the ones doing it, building this stuff out, it doesn't get any better than that. I mean, that's basically, if you're one doing it and building it out, you're the one doing it and building it out. It's really that simple. So, my most interest, guys, even in this channel, is me getting more crypto. Me buying more crypto, me buying these coins. There isn't a coin on here, guys, that I'm going to tell you, there's not a coin on this channel. If I talk about it, I'd buy it. If I'm going to make an episode about it and I don't say it's a scam, I'd buy it. So keep in mind, what you want to do and what you actually do are two different things. So do I actually buy Verge? Do I actually buy a ton of Fyro? Do I actually buy a ton of any of these coins I talk about? No, I might not have any coins. You guys might be whales compared to me. That's not likely though. But I would say that, if I talk about it, if I'm talking about Augur, if I'm talking about Waves token, all these coins, yes, I would be buying them if I could. You build businesses around it, guys. You build things around it. So yes, every time I get paid, where does it go? Crypto. I mean, that's where my majority of my shit's at. I don't sit around, guys, and fixate on my IRA or my any of my Chase accounts or anything like that. Those are just ghost accounts. There's nothing even in them. So when you start looking at your wallet, your crypto wallet, more than you look at your Chase wallet, which should be already, or your Wells Fargo or any other franchise bank systems, then you can basically say you're in crypto. And that's where I recommend everybody get to. It doesn't have to be an overnight thing. It might take a few years. It took me a really good bit of time to make sure, I knew what I was doing. I mean, guys, you got to go at your own pace. If you asked me a couple years ago, before all this Terra Luna and FTX shit was safe, I would say, yeah, you can keep your money on Robinhood, Coinbase, any of that shit. Now I won't even do that. So, there's a crypto guy, right? So, I'm a crypto guy, guys, and that's all there is to it. You can either be a crypto guy, a crypto girl, or a non-crypto guy or a non-crypto girl. That's the only way. And there's a lot of people I meet that buy crypto, guys. I've met so many people that are into it, so many people talking about it. So I don't know if they're talking about it where you live, but where I live, they're talking about it every chance they get. And if they don't, they're the first ones to buy it when they hear about it. Because you got to tell people about crypto, guys. Once everybody I tell about crypto, every single person, they at least go home and research something about it. It does not leave their mind once they get in a conversation, even if it's a conversation not talking to them. You know, I don't care. They're gonna hear that conversation, and they're gonna get interested in crypto, and I can tell they do. I can tell they do, and they should. I mean, why wouldn't you want to be interested? If I let me tell you guys this. This is how this channel, and this is how I am. If I was in crypto right now, walking into crypto right this second, if I was into crypto right this second, never been in crypto, walking in, and I saw my channel, that is the type channel that I would want to be a part of. Because guys, on this channel, I'm simply talking about stuff that I care about. This is, I mean, that's all this channel is. That's all this channel is. This is just an obsession of the cryptos that I like. So that's really all it is. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be the update today. All right, guys, that's all I got. That was the episode. Sorry, the dog got out of control and was about ripping my arm off chasing a cat. So yeah, so like I said, we covered a lot of stuff. We covered Augur, which I think is pretty important. We covered Verge, both with the price increases on those and just the overall impact they have to the market and whether or not they really do have an impact. And I think they do, guys. That's why we're still talking about them. So talked about BRC20, guys. I don't really know what's going on there, guys, but it is a thing now. So let's pay attention to that kind of stuff, and wanted to make a video. We'll probably have a ton of videos coming out here, probably more videos than you're willing to hear, but we are here, guys, on this channel. So you know, thanks for talking about this stuff, and see how it goes. Catch you in the next episode.